Well, this is the yard. Quite a mess here. We've got the lawnmower motor. We got my old scooter. We got the Toro mower that's been recently showed. Sled, tire, another tire. Sold scrap metal, snowblower, old chair, everything. But my main concern was to show you guys my shed that I think you'll really like. Okay? This is my plate to just kind of chill. So we'll go back here for a minute. Oh yeah, my latest project. There's the old mower. I'm trying to take the motor thing off, but only that's part of it off. So, well, my main concern today was to actually start my mower up. It's about April 28th, 2011, and we're going to do a startup. We're going to do a couple startups. This usually starts the first pull since it's raining out. That's my day of life living here.